Welcome to this Tenacor how-to video on submitting a request for a service and repair quote. First, we will need to make our way to the Tenacor.com website. Once on the website, you'll want to hover your mouse over Service and Repair. This will bring up some options. Select the modality and brand that suits your needs. In this example, we will be clicking on GE under Patient Monitors. Scroll down to find the item you want serviced. In the example, we will be selecting the CoreMetrix 259CX fetal monitor. Locate and click the Add to Repair List button. Now your repair list will pop up. If you have more items you want to add to your list, click Continue Browsing. If your order is complete, let's fill out the order form. We will begin with the quantity and serial number. Make sure that if you have 2 or more in the quantity section that you separate each serial number by line. Next, fill out a brief description of the issues found for each device in the space provided, noting the serial number for each issue. Fill out your name, email, phone number, hospital name, shipping address, and PO number. You can also upload any further relevant files if needed. Once this form is filled out, click the Submit Repair Request button below to complete the request. One of our friendly and professional customer support representatives will review your inquiry and respond quickly. Scheduling a repair with Tenacor has never been easier.